Make rice vinegar. Rice vinegar is one of the ingredients that you will come across when you cook Asian dishes. The vinegar adds more flavor to the food while cooking. Rice vinegar is made from rice wine, but fermented rice can also be used. Rice vinegar is not always available in grocery stores. You can check out Asian grocery stores, or you just make your own rice vinegar at home. All you need are a few ingredients. Find out how to make rice vinegar by following these easy steps. Ingredients and materials to prepare. The ingredients that you need are white sugar, yeast, eggs and white rice. You also need to prepare a double boiler, measuring cups, a mixing bowl and a clean cloth. Prepare the rice. You need fermented rice to make rice vinegar. Place white rice in a mixing bowl and soak them in water for about 4 hours. Cover the mixing bowl. After 4 hours, strain the rice using the clean cloth and leave the water in the mixing bowl. Refrigerate the water overnight to let it set. Prepare the mixture. The next day, measure the rice water that you prepared. For every cup that you have, add 3/4 cup of the white sugar to the rice water. Mix the sugar in the water well until the granules have completely dissolved. Cook the mixture. Prepare your double boiler and cook the rice water and sugar mixture. This should take only about 20 minutes. Afterward, let the mixture cool. When it is cool enough, transfer the mixture into a glass container. Add the yeast. For every 4 cups of the mixture that you have, add 1/4 tablespoon of yeast. Mix it well with the other ingredients. Ferment the mixture. Now you have to allow the mixture to ferment so that you can have rice vinegar. This takes about 5 days to a week. Check the mixture to see if there are still bubbles. When the bubbles are gone, the mixture is ready. Finish fermentation. You need to ferment the mixture for a second time. Before doing this, transfer the mixture into another glass container and allow it to ferment for another 4 weeks. The time for the second fermentation varies according to your taste. Store the rice vinegar. When the rice vinegar is ready, strain the contents using a clean cloth and then allow it to boil again in your double boiler. The mixture may be a bit cloudy. If you want the mixture to be clear, beat in 2 egg whites for every 40 cups of the mixture before you reheat it in the double boiler. This is how you can make rice vinegar at home. The steps are really simple, but you have to make sure that you use the right measurements and allow the mixture to ferment to come up with the best tasting rice wine vinegar. During the second fermentation process, you can taste the rice vinegar to see if it is tangy enough for you.